Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have some more of my Hobby Lobby clearance haul, and some of these are sale items too. So with that said, let's just get into this haul. Before I get into the haul, I just want to say welcome back, and if you are new, welcome. I've been gone for a while, so if you didn't see the other video, I just had moved a lot. I moved twice in a very short time, and I could not get to my crafty supplies. I've not been able to film for a while, but I am back. I'm in a consistent place, and I can get back to crafting. Yay! And with that said, now let's get into this haul. The first thing I have is this really cute tie-dye kit. Y'all, I'm gonna say everything is cute. That's just, I'm sorry. Everything is cute, but I got this for $7.49, and they said their price is $14.99, so not too bad. These colors are pastel. We do have some tie-dye paints, but we were running low, and we didn't have any pastel colors, so I'm really interested to see how these turn out. But they look, they look cute, and I love the colors. So soft and pastel-y. I kind of want to do like a fun tie-dye shirt for Christmas time, like maybe a long sleeve t-shirt with these pastel colors, because a lot of these colors are going to be my Christmas theme, and we're doing kind of like a snowman theme, and it's going to have pastels. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if it's okay to is pastel okay in the winter, or is it just a summer thing? Oh, look, they have a hoodie right here. So I could probably, a hoodie, a pastel hoodie, tie-dye hoodie. Ooh, I think I would like. Okay, let's move on with the haul, but let me know in the comments if you think it's okay to do tie-dye all year. So next I have these tie-dye bottles. It says tie-dye mixing bottles, and it's by Tulip, and it's 87 cents. That's what I got it for, but it was originally $3.49, and you get two of them. See how squeezy? I got them for squeezy, just extra squeezy bottles to have on hand for 87 cents for two. I mean, you can't beat that price. I've gotten some just little squeeze bottles from Dollar Tree that were not even this big for $1.25. So yeah, pretty good. Next I have this by Tulip again, and it's fabric paint. It says soft fabric paint, and it was on clearance for $3.74. And it says $14.99, but I'm not sure if that's what they sold it for. My daughters have been asking me to do paint blue jean jackets or paint jeans for them. Like if we go to the secondhand store and get some jeans, they want me to paint them. So look, and they want me to paint them. I have my older girls they're in college, but they always want crafty requests, but they don't want to do the crafting. I just always find that funny. Next, I have another pack of Tulip fabric paint, and this has 10 paints in there, and it was $7.99. So that is a really good deal. And look at all the colors that you get. Ooh la la, ooh. Next I grabbed some vinyl, and I think this is their brand of vinyl, 405 Basics. I don't know if maybe it is, maybe it's not. Oh, it does say Hobby Lobby. And it's originally $7.49, and it was on clearance for $3. And I can't see this because it's kind of wiped off. It says it's glitter vinyl. I don't see glitter in it though. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't see the glitter, but it's yellow. It's a fun, happy color. It's a permanent vinyl. So I've used their vinyl before. It's a slightly bit thinner than Cricut vinyl or Oracle vinyl. I haven't had any issues with it. Anything that I've used, I haven't had any issues with it. It's just a little harder to cut than Cricut vinyl, in my opinion. And somebody may not even feel like it's any different. But anyway, like I said, it's yellow. It's a happy color. It was on clearance, a happy price. So I grabbed that. Next I have, and this is where I say it's a clearance / sale haul, because this was not on clearance, it was just on sale. This one, it was 40% off of $2.49, and you get 9 leaves in here. And I grabbed this because I don't have anything like this, and I think they're pretty, and it's different shapes of leaves. You get 9 of them. I should have grabbed 2 bags of them. I wonder if I did though. I wonder if I did grab 2 bags. I feel like this was a really good price. Even at $2.49 is a great price, in my opinion, for this. So I got these. The next thing I got was on sale, and it was in their fall section, and it was originally around $5. I filmed it, but the footage did not take, so I'm filming it again. I like this because I like the little look with the trucks, and it just has it. I thought it was neat because it comes with the truck, and as you see, the truck has notches because it comes with different shapes that you can put in the back of the truck. Let me show you what comes with it. You get the Easter egg shape, which is, look, so can't you see? Okay, yeah, so the Easter egg shape, and it just goes in the notches on the back like this. It just slips in these notches right here. Oh, y'all. Okay, now, of course, I did it, and when I'm on camera, I can't do it. It's not too bad. Okay, so cute. And can you see how that looks? So you'll have this in the back of the truck, so you get to paint each season a different color. Also have hearts for Valentine's Day, flag, little pumpkins. I think these are my favorite. The spring always has such cuteness with the flowers and things, but they have spring. I love the boots. And oops, so this will be for Christmas and probably just all winter. I wish they would have done, I guess, what else would they have done for Christmas though? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna give this to my youngest daughter. She already has seen it, and it's gonna be in her room, and she's excited to paint the different little things in the back. And I thought it was cute because every season she could have her little seasonal decor in her room too. This is a repeat buy, the nativity scene. I got 2 of them this time because last time I got one and it broke, and it was my fault. I didn't have it put up correctly. So I just got 2 just in case I needed. I don't know why I'm showing y'all like they're different. Oh, look at this. No, this piece did not, look, y'all, this didn't get cut out. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be cut out. And it's not even like, oh man, but that's okay because I'll probably end up covering it with like a cute paper or something. I'm thinking about silver paper, but we'll see when the time comes. I pretty much, I'm saying the time comes like as if I don't need to be thinking about this now because it's really time to start doing Christmas crafts. Hopefully I will get done with them on time and be able to put them out this year. I hope now that I don't have to move so much, you know, I can get in here and just buckle down with my crafting. But, you know, anyway, that's what they look like. They have some smaller ones like this that are wood ornaments that are about this size. And I think I want to go back and grab those too because I think I'm going to put these in my dining room area. Y'all, I didn't tell you how much the nativity. So originally they're $3.40. Originally the nativity is $3.49, and I got it during half off Christmas. So, wow, that's a really good, a really great price. I got these for my one of my daughter's rooms. She wants to do they have a tree in their room, and she wants to do hers the Nutcracker theme. So of course I could have just bought Nutcracker ornaments, but I have to get some that you have to paint. But I thought these would be cute to go with that Nutcracker theme. And these were originally $9.99, so I got them for half off. I really do like them. I think they're cute. So these are some of my favorite items. So we're getting to the end of this part of the haul. I noticed this year, I think candy themes are going to be so big for Christmas. Gingerbread theme is always like a big deal, but I think this year it's going to be even a bigger deal. I just noticed that's how some of the trends are going. But I got this from the little Christmas section with the little mini Christmas trees. And they look pretty real. They're so cute. So I grabbed 2 of these because I'm going to, I decorate for Christmas. My friend has an assisted living home, and I decorate that for Christmas. And this year she has another one. So I get to decorate both of them, and she just does not care. Like, of course she wants it to be nice, but that's it. It's just like, here's the money, make it pretty. That's it. And so I love when I get to decorate something or create something and someone's just like, here you go, just make it cute. So I'm gonna do, oh, why did I say all that? To tell y'all, I'm gonna do a gingerbread theme. I started last year with a gingerbread theme, and she has certain colors. I think like it was a green, a certain type of green though, like an emerald green and pink and red. And it was just colors that you don't normally find together. So I want to stick with that theme. And long story short, that's why I got all these little candy theme things. So I got these. Got these peppermints. They make really cute buttons on big gingerbread people. And they're just, I mean, they're so cute. They look real. I love it. I love squishing them. But these are originally $2.99 and they were half off, and you get 6 of them each. So I grabbed 2 of them. I probably should have grabbed more of these. I should have grabbed more of these. And I also got some gumdrops, and these are originally $5.99 and they were half off, and these really look like real little gumdrops. I am thinking about it, but I have not had a gumdrop in, when was the last time y'all had a gumdrop? In years, right? Or is it just like, do they even make them anymore? Gumdrops? Huh. Anyway, I got these, and like I said, they'll be cute to decorate with. And that is the end of this haul. Yeah, that's the end of this part of the haul. I have one more video that's going to be coming after this. I just wanted to break it up because it was so much stuff. And there's another video that I posted yesterday. So if you want to see what I already hauled, just check out that video. And if you want to see the rest of the haul, then stay tuned because there's more coming. And with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye.